In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a search engine to search the internet for websites. Search engines are really useful. For example, if you can't quite remember the address of a website, you can use a search engine to look for it. Or if you want to buy a product online or find some information but you don't know what website to go to, then you can use it for that too. So first things first, I'm just going to open up Internet Explorer by clicking on the shortcut on the taskbar. Now my computer's automatically set to go to the Google website when I open up Internet Explorer. And Google is one of the most popular search engines. But there are others, such as Bing and Ask, and they all work in the same way. So if you're not already on the Google website, click in the address bar at the top and type in www.google.co.uk. Google also have a website that ends in .com, but the British one is .co.uk. So once you've got that open, you'll see a big search box in the middle of the page. And all you do is click in it until you get a flashing cursor and then type in the thing that you're looking for. So let's have a look for saffron cake. And you can see up here it's brought up some options. And these are just things that people commonly search for that include the words that you've typed in. And if one of them sounds better, just click on it. But if you're happy with what you've typed in, just press enter on the keyboard or click on this button here to search. So I'm just going to press enter. But Google's quite clever and it starts searching for you even before you've stopped typing. And if I scroll down, you can see it's brought up a list of web pages that are to do with saffron cake. So for example, these ones up at the top are all recipes for saffron cake. And it's also brought me up some images. And if you want to look at more images, you can just click here. Or if you wanted to search for just images, when the results come up, just click on this button up here. And these buttons all do similar things. So for example, if you just wanted to search for videos about saffron cake, maybe a video of people making them, you could click here. Or if you wanted to buy saffron cake, you could click on shopping. Now maps doesn't really work for this example, but say you were searching for a place in the UK, you could click on maps and it would show you where it was. The search tools button allows you to narrow down your search in different ways. So if I just click on it, you get a few more options below. And one of the most useful ones is the country one. So if I click on that, I could click on country, the UK, and that would bring me up just websites based in the UK. And that's particularly useful if you're buying things online, because you don't really want it shipped from an American website or an Australian website. So I really wanted to buy some saffron cake online. So I can narrow down my search results by clicking in the box at the top and typing in buy online. And now it's brought me up a different list of results, and these look much better. So all of the ones I can see here are websites where I can buy Cornish saffron cakes. And the most important skill when you're using search engines is figuring out how to refine your results. And the best thing to do is just experiment by trying different words or slight variations of the words until you find the thing you're looking for. So the last thing I want to show you is a feature of some web browsers, including Internet Explorer. And that's you can actually search from the address bar. So if I click in the address bar, and instead of typing in a website address, I just type in teddy bear, the computer knows that I haven't put a website address in there, so when I press enter, it searches the internet for me and gives me a big list of websites to do with teddy bears.